How to fix cast option not showing in Realme. Realme device uses cast option for screen mirroring in media streaming. So here is how you can find it and use it. First of all, you can check the cast feature in the quick setting. So open the quick setting panel. For that, you have to swipe down from the top of your screen to access your quick settings menu. Here, from this menu, you have to look for an option or icon that is labeled as cast. Swipe to next. If you can't find it here, then tap on this edit option right here. Now scroll down and search for an option that is cast. But in case if you're not able to find in your quick settings, you can enable that in your device settings. So for that, open up settings in your device. Tap on the search bar on the settings and then type in cast or screen mirroring. If you're not able to find it, then simply search for cast and then go to cast. Here tap on cast. So from here you have to enable the wireless display toggle if it is present. If it is not present, your device will search for nearby compatible devices. After that, you have to connect to targeted device. Turn on the TV or casting device and enable its screen mirroring feature. Once your Realme device scanned for the available displays, tap the name of your TV or display to connect. Then, you may need to confirm the connection on the TV or casting device. And that's how you can find and use the cast option in your Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.